We're going straight into another technology showcase, but we're going in a different direction. Addie, are you ready?
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
Awesome. Tell me about buywith. Hit me with all the deets.
What? Sorry.
Oh yeah, hit me with everything.
Yeah. So I also have a short presentation, but few words before about us, about me. So I'm Ronen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of buywith, and we are a startup company in the live stream shopping area. It's a really, really hot landscape that started in China, and now it's coming to the West. A lot of brands and retailers and e-commerce sites are using right now live stream shopping to create high conversion rate to sales, engagement with the audience, especially now during the pandemic and after. We see that brands and retailers and e-commerce sites are looking for new and more ways to stay engaged with the audience virtually. So this is what we do. And now I'm going to share my screen and hope it will work.
I absolutely am a huge fan of live stream selling. I think it is often completely underrated in e-commerce. And when I'm talking with especially merchants that are really small, under $100,000 in annual sales, and they have really cool products, they have really cool ideas, I go, you get on a camera and you sell. And if you can't do that, then don't worry about Facebook ads. Don't worry about paying influencers. You get on the camera and you sell, and you do that every day. And I think that that's what makes this tool so cool and amazing. You should be able to share your screen. I can also stop my share down here.
Yeah. So I'm going to share it. Can I share a window, or it's just?
You should be able to share an application window. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Here.
Yeah, I can see it right now. Great.
All right, I'm bringing it to the stream, and I'm going to hop out of here and let you just completely. Hit the full screen, or the.
It works.
Yeah, looking good.
Okay, great. Okay, so we're buywith, and we're doing live stream shopping as you have never seen before. So in China, as I said, the live stream shopping is booming. It's already 9% of e-commerce sales. It's amazing. More than 250 million people made a purchase via a live stream shopping session. And now it's coming to the West. We definitely see that the West wants to join the live stream shopping party. And we at buywith developed an online shopping live stream platform where influencers, experts, celebrities, and store representatives can host virtual shopping events on the e-commerce site. So as I said before, sometimes our clients are using influencers, but a lot of times they're actually using their own employees and store representative. There are many use cases. But what we do that is really unique is that our user experience is based on the e-commerce site. So our session, like the background of the session is the e-commerce, and then the host of the session can actually navigate with the viewers from product to product on the site. So it's built for scale. You don't need to have an equipment or camera or studio. You don't need to have anything. You just need to have your e-commerce site and a good internet connection. Then we have the chat at the bottom where the viewers can write comments, ask questions, engage with the host. And we also have some features for the brand, for the e-commerce site, where they can answer on questions with the brand's logo and with highlighted message. So this is basically the user experience, and this is how it works. So once we set date and time for the session, we get a link. So it's not a mobile app. No one needs to install anything. The host of the session and the e-commerce site, the brand can promote this link anywhere. It can be on social, it can be on newsletters, etc. Then people can save their spot and leave their phone number and email address. In a few minutes before the session starts, we will send them a text and an email with the link of the session. Then as soon as the host gets to a product page, we automatically add the want button that people would be able to shop the items, save them for later, etc. So I have here a short video demo. I hope you could hear it and see it well.
We can only see the starting slide of the PowerPoint. Do you want to? If you can stop the screen share and then reshare.
Yeah. Okay. Moved for so many slides. So let me try to share it again. Okay. Maybe I would do it without the full screen. Now you can see the slide that I'm showing with the video.
Yeah, looks good.
Okay. So I'll try to do it without the full screen. Maybe let's try it again, once again, and if
I think
now
so,
it works.
Once you go full screen, I can only see the non-full screen version. If you X out of full screen, there should be a presenter view that instead of going like full screen presenter, you actually go into a smaller screen presenter. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Or in PowerPoint as opposed to like completely full screen.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Fun of technology.
Yeah, definitely. Just a minute. Okay. So,
all right, here we are.
Okay, you mean this one? No.
I don't speak
This one?
the language. Oh, this actually looks perfect. Yes, we're in.
Okay. And now you can see the second slide?
Yes, perfect.
Great. Okay, good job. So as I said before, e-commerce in China, live stream shopping in China is booming, already 9% of e-commerce sales. And now the West wants to join the live stream shopping party. So this is an important slide. So you could see our user experience as it's based on the e-commerce site. So we have the video of the host, we have the e-commerce site behind, and we have the chat of the viewers where they can write comments, ask questions, etc. And also I said that a lot of our clients are using influencers, experts, celebrities, and store representatives to host the session. And in terms of the flow, so we have the link of the session where you can promote it anywhere on social and any other channel. Then people can save their spot. And a few minutes before the session starts, they would get a text message and an email with the link of the session. They don't need to install any app to participate, which is decreasing a huge barrier for people to join. And then as soon as the host gets to a product page on the site, we automatically add the want button. And this is our shoppable feature. People can purchase the items, save them during the session, etc. So this is a short video. Let's see if it works right now. Can you see it?
We can see it. We can't hear it, but I'm getting the feel for it nonetheless.
Okay, so I will talk while you see it. So actually, this is an influencer, and she is also a session on 7 for All Mankind. Here you can see the chat of the viewers where they can write comments, and she can actually browse on the site from product to product, give her recommendations. It's something very unique in buywith, this ability to browse in the site and really show the items you want to recommend. And it's also decreased the expenses of the live sessions because you don't need to have an equipment or a studio or camera or anything. And also, as you saw, the viewer can actually make the video bigger. You have the cart during the session where you can purchase the items. And the entire experience is based on the real e-commerce site.
I'm drooling over here. This is amazing.
Yeah, and if you'd be able to hear the sound, it would be even more. And at the end of the session, we have this end page with all the items that they picked during the session.
Wow.
Yeah, so sorry, I couldn't hear you really good.
I'm just
Okay.
saying wow over here is all.
Yeah, I know. It's really exciting. And I think that only when you see it, you understand it. Oh, and even, if you participate in a live session and you have like thousands of people writing comments in the chat, it's such an engaging user experience. And it's bringing me to speak a bit about numbers. So in our sessions, we achieved a 16% conversion rate to sales. It means that 16% of people that joined the session actually ended up buying, which we know it's super high in e-commerce. Also, in terms of average order value, so we achieved 70% higher average order value compared to the order value on the same website. Another incredible number is the engagement rate. So we achieved already 66% engagement rate. So we measure engagement by writing a comment in the chat or click on the want button. And by the way, we give, like, our clients get report after each session with how many people clicked on the want button on each item, what were the messages, what people said about each items, etc. Yeah, and I would make it short. So we also have a patent about this screen sharing technology. We can work without any code integration on the brand's website. We also have a Shopify app. And we created a really different user experience in e-commerce. This is buywith. This is standard live stream shopping that is more like QVC. And it makes us really unique in the landscape. So this is all, and I'll go back to you. I'm glad that we can show the presentation.
Yeah.
And let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, so you mentioned that you've got the Shopify integration, but you also said you don't have to have any code on the website. So they're joining this live streaming session, and without any code on the site, how are you able to get the products into those want products on? Do you just scrape the site and put them up into your own backend?
Yeah, exactly. And with the integration, obviously, it's easier. We can integrate with the shopping cart on the website. So I highly recommend to do the one line of code integration or the Shopify app. But we also have this option. We have many clients that are working without an integration, and they're very happy because it's mainly for big companies that it's hard for them to do integrations. So it's something that we can do, and it actually gives us as a company a huge advantage because a few other companies that are doing live stream shopping require a complicated integration with the entire catalog that this integration can take several months. So with us, our one line of code integration is like one line of code integration. It's a few minutes of developer time.
I'm seeing a whole new influencer business model. It feels like as an influencer, so without the integration, I could just go to Seven, their website. I could just do this on like my own Instagram and promote it myself and tell everyone I'm going to go shopping on Seven Jeans and that they can come with me. Then I'll just go shopping all by myself without being paid or told by Seven. They don't even need to know. And then I'm just like promoting them. And it's kind of like hey, everyone, you want to go see me spend $1,000 on jeans? Come join me tomorrow at 9 a.m. and I'm going to go shopping for my 10 favorite pairs or my 5 favorite pairs.
No, so I think it's funny that you're mentioning it because this is what we're building right now, and it also would be a way for influencers to earn money through this platform. So this is our actually next big thing for buywith. So stay tuned, and we're working on it.
I seriously might go test this out just for fun. I don't know. I feel like I feel like I could just be grab my phone and start exploring and share on a few social channels and have people tag along. Oh my God, I think that this technology is going to change the way that people think about live streaming and social selling, which is like, a buzzword, but people just still aren't doing it and aren't doing it right. So I'm really excited for this. Thank you so much for showcasing the technology.
Thank you so much.
Really quick, how much does it cost?
Yeah, so it really depends. We have packages that based on the e-commerce site size. and the brand's needs. So it really depends. Obviously, we can speak with everyone and see what fits. We can work with any budget. It really depends. It really depends on the sessions you want to do, how many sessions. We have brands are doing tons of sessions a month, so it depends on your needs. Also, I can say that with the new platform, you would be able to start with affiliate. So it's something that could work for many, brands with low budgets.
Yeah, I love it. Awesome. Thank you so much for showcasing that for us, Addie. We're going to move right into our next session. See you later.
Bye. Thank you.